Welcome to Sandy B Crochets, and here I help you make crochet baby clothing easily. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this paw applique, and you can use it for any baby project of your choice. Here I used it in my pants tutorial, which I've linked up in the video. I'll be using this burnt orange DK size 3 yarn. It's a Lamia baby boom. I'll link it in the description if you're interested in getting it for yourself through my Amazon affiliate link. It comes at no extra charge to you if you use my link. And I'll also be using this cream sports weight yarn. I was gifted and I'm not sure if it's still on the market, but you can get any lightweight size 3 DK yarn. And I'll be using a 3.5 crochet millimeter hook for this project. So let's get into the video. To start, you're going to make a slip knot. Chain 3. Slip stitch into the first chain to form a ring. You can use the magic circle if that's what you prefer. Chain 1. We are going to make 10 half double crochets into the ring. At the end of round 1, pull your tail at the back to close the ring and make a slip stitch to the top of the first half double crochet. Remember, the chain 1 at the beginning does not count as a stitch. To start round 2, you are going to chain 1 and make 2 half double crochets all around in each stitch. I'm at the end of round 2, and because I was working over my tail, my back is clean. So you're going to make a slip stitch to the top of the first half double crochet to close the round. And you're not going to complete your slip stitch. You're going to grab your second color and make your slip stitch. For round 3, chain 1, going to make 1 half double crochet into the first stitch. Make 2 half double crochets into the next. So this is our increase repeat for round 3. 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochets into the next stitch. So repeat 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet all the way to the end, and I'll meet you at the end. So at the end of round 3, you're going to make a slip stitch, but we're going to change colors again. So insert your hook, drop your second color and pick up your first color, make your slip stitch. Round 3, we are going to be making the toes, the paw toes. Chain 2. We're going to be making 3 double crochets into the first stitch, and carry along your second color because you're going to be needing it at the end. So insert your hook and make 3 double crochets into the first stitch. Then chain 2 and slip stitch into the first stitch. So your first toe is done. Skip the next 2 stitches, slip stitch into the 4th stitch. Chain 2 and make 3 double crochets into the same stitch. Remember to carry along your second color. Chain 2 and slip stitch into the same stitch. So skip the next 2 stitches. The slip stitch, chain 2 and make 3 double crochets into the same stitch. Chain 2 and make a slip stitch. Skip the next 2 stitches, make a slip stitch, chain 2, 3 double crochets into the same stitch. Chain 2, make a slip stitch. So all our 4 toes are done. Grab your second color and make a slip stitch. Now we are going to be making 1 single crochet from the last end to the beginning. So continue making 1 single crochet and I'll meet you at the first toe. At the first toe, we are going to now make half double crochets into each stitch. And the sides have chain 2s, so we are going to be making 2 half double crochets on the side. and then make 1/2 double crochet in each stitch at the top. Again, make 2 half double crochets on the side. Then in between the toes, we're going to make a slip stitch. We are going to repeat that for all the toes. So 2 half double crochets on the sides, and 1/2 double crochet at the top stitches. And 2 half double crochets on the sides. And make a slip stitch at the bottom. So complete that for the next two, and I'll meet you at the end. At the end, make a slip stitch to the last stitch, chain 1, and cut off your yarn. So applique is here, and you use it for any project of your choice, to decorate your projects, and it's so adorable. I use this for the pants. And see the next video to watch how to make your newborn to 2-month-old crochet baby pants.